One of the things we added at the shop last year was a on-road diesel tank. We don't really use enough diesel to have off-road, so we only have one tank, 500 gallons of on-road, and we use that to fill everything right at the shop. Fill the cell, fill the truck, fill the 10-wheeler, and anything else that we need. Alright, we're over here in Canton, and we are still heavily invested on the Egyptians did not build the pyramids theory because they did not have a CMP grapple. So this is how we've been building it. None of these blocks have hooks on them, so I really don't know how it, like, how else would you build it? I don't know. So I used the grade out of my book that we set all these at, and I don't know if these are a little bit higher, but we're going to readjust this grade, so the whole day is pretty much ruined, and we'll probably make $0 today. With the tilty at work doing its thing. I mean, you definitely could do it with a regular excavator, but sideways bucket makes it a little easier for Brendan and I, brown guys. I'm just the camera guy today, Brendan.
You are the camera guy?
Brendan, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Good
what are you doing tomorrow?
Oh, big CDL day tomorrow.
Big CDL day.
I'm gonna be driving the rig.
Don't mess this up. You need to be driving the rig. As discussed in previous videos, we got the 2D Trimble in here. Brendan is double checking everything, but Morg is benched at the elevation, and he should be able to do pretty much everything with the tilty. And Brendan and I just sit here and watch him. Alright, so the day wasn't actually ruined that bad, but I mean, we're caring about this face. This face is junk. It's, you know, I think it's tapering a little bit down there, but we'll get this all situated. Wall's looking pretty good, dude. Morg's got the big stretch going. One more base block, and then we can start coming up in some courses. Should go pretty fast because all of our block is right here. I think it's 13 block per course. So on the wall, we're really flying now. Morg is grabbing and going. How's she looking? How's she looking? The world's worst wall with the best material practices is coming along. Coming along good. We gotta continue our liner, 15 more feet, and then we should be good to go. So we're getting there. Beginning drainage on the wall. Morg smoothing this thing out. So we got our drainage, goes the whole way down this side, 90s, capped at that end. It's all encased in 3/4 stone. And at this grade, we should be able to go out to daylight. And then we'll also, it has a T right here. Little T action. That'll T 48 feet that way, encased in stone, filter fabric on the top. And that should carry any moisture out that way. So drainage, very well engineered. Wall. I mean, dude, somebody said the wall looked like antique granite. I'll take it. Because in real life, it does not look like antique granite. We have the pipe all the way to the end of the wall. Got the cap, Morganator installing the cap. Cover that with some 3/4 crushed stone. Filter fabric to keep the silt out. And we have drainage on this wall. Alright, we get the filter fabric all installed. Morgan's gonna put a little bit of dirt on top of that so it doesn't blow away. Lock this course in. We're gonna have to do the liner. The liner goes 22 or 20, actually 24 feet to right there. But we'll finish the liner, push some sand in, another course, and then we're good to build this field. So excited to be to this point. My nightmare is almost over. It's all coming together. She's all coming together. So per plan, the wall has to come up one more tier, but I'm gonna see if we could leave it right here and ideally mound dirt right over the top of it. Eliminate the whole entire wall. Elevation for breakout 199 will hit that liner, gorgeous, loom it right in. So that's my new plan. I think it'll work. Morganator cleaning up the site here with the grapple. We're getting ready to head out of here. The last like 3 or 4 block kind of don't look the best, but we're gonna sleep on it and we're gonna come back. We're gonna fix it in the morning with fresh eyes, because when you build a wall out of the worst block ever, it burns you out. Now Morg's just having fun with it. He's just playing Lincoln logs with big blocks. Wow, oh my God. Is that perfect? Oh, oh, oh. You tricked me. I thought he was going that one like this. Tricked me. Sneaky one. Day of CDL life. This is no longer Billy's big rig. This is Brennan's big rig. Brennan, put the lights on, dude. Why are you shortchanging me like this? No, put the other ones on. It's the top strobe switch. You gotta learn these things. I wanna see some lights. It's the unlabeled switch above the strobes. Needs a label. Put them on, put them on. Oh, dude, come on. Come on, Brenda. Not the lights. Not the lights, dude. Alright, so we lost a day because we were too busy. I forgot to videotape anything. Got a little bit of fill coming in from miscellaneous free fill sources. And we built this up a little bit. You can see that our wall is now pretty much non-existent. We might have to put one more course on, but I got a trick up my sleeve. I think it's going to be okay. Spent yesterday getting the field nice and level. I destroyed it a little bit on this side because I've been walking the 138 over it. Getting the first leader in now. We'll report back soon. Because I hate the walls so much, I went over to this guy's house. Nice Italian older gentleman. I said, hey, if you don't mind, we're gonna come with this wall. We're gonna encroach on your property a little bit, but it's gonna give you a better thing to look at than this wall. And he said, I love it. We shook hands, so that's what we're doing. We're taking care of that for him. Going a little bit slower than anticipated on the septic, but here's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna be able to come with our loom. That's that 199 breakout, and then we could just slope out. So he can just loom it right into this woodsy area, do the wall. Guess what? The wall doesn't even exist anymore. We don't have to put on another course. We'll be able to just, you know, put our liner in place. We'll bury this thing, and when he looms it, now it's a yard, dude. So we basically needed the liner because I'll show you the lot line. Let me show you the lot line here. So people are gonna say this wall was unnecessary, but I'll show you the lot line. His lot line goes here, and then it actually goes to that corner, and then over to my 10-wheeler right there. So all where my stone is, he doesn't even actually own on the septic. So they were nice enough to let us use that for access. And that lot line goes right through there. So different property, which we're gonna restore with this wood chips, get all this block out of here, and just kind of taper that into nothing. So, dude, the septic is coming along. We're working on the 4 out of 5 liter. It's about 2:30, like I said. I wanted to be done with all the liters today, but we're about 1 liter behind. We'll get this one done, finish that in the morning, vent, D-box pipe. I think by like 11 o'clock tomorrow, this thing is dialed in. Doing a lot of the grading out here with the 138. She's looking good. It's really starting to come together now. 1 more liter to do. Finish building the field tomorrow. I'm gonna grade up against this wall. Look at that. You can see the 10-wheeler there. Probably 8 feet high right here. Not bad. We're gonna mess around with this, clean this up, rearrange this block, build the field tomorrow. We got electrical to backfill, and I'm thinking that this place is gonna start looking the way it should when W. McNeese Site Services is on site. So very, very happy. Everything worked out as well as it could have. I think we'll report back in the next video.